Hey YouTube family, hope everyone is doing well. Another recap video of 2017, and I did all, the makeup and the beauty products, and I said, you know what, I can't forget my ride or die, my day ones. Most of my subscription base is from my hair products. So of course, I had to do a recap video for all my lock lovers out there for 2017. So in this video, this is all, I don't want to say all because I'm sure I'm going to forget some things because I don't remember, but this is all the products that I can remember that I used on my locks in 2017. If you are new here, welcome to the Kaya Journey family. If you like what you see, don't forget to subscribe. It is free. And to all my old timers, hugs. Alright, first of all, check out the shirt. I was trying to do like a distressed kind of look, trying to be all biker chic, kind of tough gal kind of situation. Let me know if you're feeling it. Alright, let's start with shampoos. Why not? As you guys know, I try to stick with products with the best ingredients for my hair, the healthiest products. Products that won't cause any damage or build up to my locks. But there are times when, for mostly cost reasons, I will step outside the box. And for these two shampoos, this is what I call those outside the box moments, where these are my waist shampoos. The first one is the Alberto VO5 Herbal Escapes Clarifying Shampoo. And the second one is the Suave Essentials Daily Clarifying Shampoo. These shampoos are specifically for when I color my hair, and that is basically about it. When I color my hair, if you guys color your hair at home, you will know you have to get that after you do the color in, you have to wash your hair a good amount of times to make sure you get the color out. So those two shampoos are my waist shampoos. They're really inexpensive. The VO5 is like $1, $2. And when I color my hair, I usually go through like a bottle of that just to wash out that initial wash, just to wash out all the dye out of my hair. As far as benefits, I don't see any benefits to my hair as far as the health of my hair because I don't use it for that purpose. Now let's move on to my regular the good shampoo then. African Water and Ginger Mint Detoxing Shampoo. I don't have the bottle for that one anymore, but I will definitely insert a picture of it right here for you guys to see. That shampoo I loved. It had a very minty scent to it, very nice peppermint scent to it, and left my hair really tingly, really clean. So that is a good cleaning shampoo, and it gives you a nice tingly minty sensation to your hair. So I do like that shampoo. The next shampoo I tried from them was the Shea Moisture Yucca and Plantain Anti-Breakage Strengthening Shampoo with baobab oil and cilantro extract. This shampoo, once again, I loved it. I loved it because it left my hair feeling really, really moisturized, really smooth. This is definitely a moisture shampoo for me. It is one of my favorites from Shea Moisture, if not my favorite. I think it maybe is my favorite. So I loved this shampoo a lot. A lot. I love this shampoo a lot. And the reason why there is still product in here is because I do rotate my shampoos, so I don't use this until it's finished. I do rotate in between shampoos. The next shampoo I tried from Shea Moisture was the Shea Moisture Jamaican Black Castor Oil Strengthening and Restore Shampoo with shea butter, peppermint, and apple cider vinegar. This is another shampoo that I loved from them. I enjoyed using this shampoo. It does also leave my hair feeling really moisturized and clean at the same time. I really love this shampoo. Between these two though, my favorite is this one, the Moisture Love Gentle Embrace Hydration Shampoo. This was sent to me for review. I used it, the entire bottle is done, and I did enjoy this shampoo. This shampoo got my hair clean, and it had a fantastic scent to it, and it also it did moisturize my hair a bit. It did give me some moisture, not as much as the Shea Moisture. The Shea Moisture really gave me that moisture, but this one is pretty good as well. After I wash my hair, most of the times I left my hair alone. I interlocked ever so often, and you guys already know that. Interlocking tool that I use is a nappy lock tool. I've been using that for years, so nothing has changed there. When I do decide to retwist my hair, I used to use the Eco Styler professional styling gel with argan oil. The container is still almost very full. For a retwist, it worked fine. It held down my locks. The retwist lasts for a very long time, so it was good in that aspect. I stopped using it because after a while, like a few days of having the retwist, my roots would get dry. It would start to flake. And ingredients wise, it wasn't something that I wanted to consistently put in my hair. So I went on the hunt for something much better, and I found it. What I use now, I use the Lily of the Desert aloe vera gel. I mixed this with some kind of oil, and this is what I use to retwist my hair, and this is bomb, perfect, phenomenal. My retwist lasts, like I said, I have it in the retwist video to show you guys, where I show you guys how I retwist my hair with this. The retwist lasts, my hair looks healthy, my hair is shiny, the ingredients are natural and clean, there is no buildup, and my hair just loves the aloe vera. As you guys know, my ride or die for a very long time now. This is my Heritage Stone rose water. I use this rose water on a regular basis. I spritz my hair with it in the morning before I leave the house. If not every day, then every other day or so. Then I will seal it with an oil sometimes. Rose water is really great for my hair. My hair loves it, and it keeps my hair nice and healthy and moisturized. This is another spritz situation or hair spritz that I spray in my hair. The bottle is empty now, but this is when I want to create my own concoction. Concoction that was in here is distilled water, some of this, distilled water, some of this aloe vera gel right here, peppermint oil, and a little bit of glycerin. Yes, that's what I had in this. And that's what I would spritz my hair with on a regular basis, you know, every few days, so on and so forth. And then when this finishes, then I go back to this. So that's how I rotate the products so that my hair doesn't get used to one product over a long period of time. So this was bomb.com. I suggest you guys create your own concoctions, find out what your hair likes, just create it and just spray it in your hair. I curl my hair a lot. I like my hair to be curly. I don't do much other styles than that. I'm a curly kind of girl. Sometimes I do wear my hair straight, not that often, but every opportunity I get, I curl my hair. What I use so far to lock in my curls is Lotta Body. This is the Lotta Body Setting Lotion. This is the professional concentrated formula. Before this, I also used the other formula. I'll insert a picture of it. That formula had the coconut oil and I can't remember, but this is the picture of it. Used it, I liked it, it was okay. It just made my hair feel sticky, and I did not like that sticky feeling, so that's why I stopped using it. But this I've been using for years, and I'm back to using it again. It does not have the cleanest ingredients, to be honest. It doesn't. The first ingredient though is water, which is pretty good, but I've been using it for years and I like it. I'm not gonna lie to you guys, I like it. How I use it, because this one is the concentrate, I just pour this into my spray bottle and I dilute it with water. This helps my curl last and last and last until I wash my hair again. Alright, we are back. I hope you guys are appreciating all the style that I'm serving you guys in this video. I don't know why, I felt like switching up my hair in each different clip, so this is a quick little tie-up situation. Anyway, let's keep going. Yes, I love putting oils in my hair. Oils are my thing. That's what I do. So let's start off with the basic. Everyone's favorite. Coconut oil. This is the Nutivia coconut oil. Organic, unrefined, cold pressed virgin coconut oil. But I use this oil occasionally, not that often. And the way I use it is when I have my hair in curls. Like if I have the soft spike curlers in or any kind of curlers, or the 2-strand twist, and I'm removing that curl, like, you know, undoing it, I like my fingers to be lubricated. So I'll put a lot of coconut oil in my hands while I'm taking down that specific style. That helps to keep the frizz away from my hair, and it also adds a nice sheen to my hair. Tropic Isle Living Jamaican Black Castor Oil. Everybody uses castor oil. I mean, come on, like, who doesn't use Jamaican black castor oil? Everyone does. How I use this is at night before I go to bed, I'll put some, you know, on my edges that I'm trying to grow back, put some on my edges, on my eyebrows. I also use this when I'm retwisting my hair, if I decide to retwist my hair. Lily of the Valley aloe vera, I'll put this in a bowl, put some castor oil with it, and I will also use this to retwist my hair. So, smells horrible because it's castor oil. That's why I choose to use it at night before I go to bed. and when I'm retwisting my hair. Next oil that I used, and this I bought because of Instagram. The label is basically all off, but this was an Instagram purchase. I saw it on Instagram and I was like, let's buy it and see how it works, shall we? This is from Eden's Essential Growth Oil, and like I said, I got this information from Instagram. This is basically a growth oil that is advertised and is formulated to help grow back your edges, because as you guys know in my update video, my 7-year lock update, I did not loosen out. My edges got weaker on this side of my hair, which it has shown much progress. Still not perfect, but much progress. This is why I don't do my hair in mud styles. I used this oil for a while. Well, I used the entire bottle, obviously. I didn't really see much difference until, like, when I got to down here, I started seeing a difference in my edges. It started to get a little bit thicker. Other than that, it didn't wow me. It was okay. It was a great oil to have in my hair. It was nice. I know on the website they do sell the whole set of other oils and shampoos that go with it, and I only bought this one oil, so maybe that could have been why. But it was great. It helped out towards the end, but I didn't see the progress like, wow, that I thought I was gonna see, you know. This is the 100% pure rosemary essential oil. This do not apply to your scalp on its own by itself. I always mix this with some other oil. Sometimes I'll mix this into my shampoo. Sometimes I'll mix it with castor oil when I'm applying to my hair at night. I will mix this when I'm retwisting my hair with the Lily of the Valley, you know, aloe vera gel. I mix this in with different products. This is great for stimulating hair growth. It gets the blood circulating to that area of your scalp, and it's great for hair, and it is great for hair growth. This is the Moisture Love Seal with a Kiss finishing oil, and I recently got this one about a few months ago, a month or two ago, 2 months maybe. This oil I use also when I'm retwisting my hair, which is rare. I know I said a lot, but it's rare. If I choose to retwist my hair, instead of adding castor oil, I'll put this oil instead with the Lily of the Valley, with the Lily of the Desert aloe vera gel. So instead of castor oil, I might use this one just to rotate the oils. I also use this one on a daily basis, not daily, but like more than every other day basis, when I spritz either my rose water in my hair or my glycerin aloe vera mixture. I will spritz that and then use this to seal in all of that moisture. It has a fantastic scent to it, which is why I like it to go out in public with, because it makes my hair smell really, really good. And it's just a great oil overall to just have in my hair. Last oil that I've used in my hair for 2017 is not necessarily a hair oil. It is actually a face oil. But this is a Derma E Radiant Glow Face Oil with jojoba, oregon, and sea buckthorn oils. This is a Sun Kiss Alba collaboration with Derma E. I love this oil for my face. It works great, but also every so often I will put some of it in my hair. My hair loves it. It smells great. My hair looks nice and shiny, nice and vibrant. It really just works great for my hair. I mean, I don't see any harm in putting it in my hair. It's for my face, but I put it on my hair too, so I mean, it works, it works. So, hey, I'm back. What y'all think about this style? You feeling it? Yay, no, it's too much hair in the front. I don't know. It's cute with all the curls, but knowing me, I'm gonna take it down in like 2 seconds because the hair is up in a point. I can't do styles. And it's in my face. As far as styling products, how I style my hair, how I get my curls. One of the ways I curl my hair is with 2-strand twists, basically taking 2 locks and twisting it together, rubber band at the end, and then loose it the next day or the next few days afterwards, and gives you like a very nice crimp style to it. That's one of my go-to styles to do. For me, instead of using 2 locks though, because my lock is so small, I use 4 locks at a time. My soft spike curlers, you guys see them in my hair, you guys ask about it. They look like this. And I've had them for years. I have 2 pairs. I have the black, just like this, and I have the gray. Essentially what it is, it's a long, spongy thing. It has a loop right here at the top. And how you would do it is you just basically take your locks, wrap it up in there. Now wrap it up, and then you lock it like that. And that's it. This, I loved it because it's really, really comfortable to sleep at night. I can sleep in this all night. You don't feel anything because they're so soft and spongy. When my locks were shorter, it would give me a nice tighter curl, and then it will drop, you know, throughout the days of me wearing it. Now that my hair is longer, first of all, I can hardly use it because my locks are too long for it. If I do use it, it's only to curl the ends of my hair. I can't bring it all the way up to the roots. And second of all, because my hair is so much longer and thicker now, when I do curl it, I don't get a tight curl. I get like a nice loose wavy curl from it. So I rarely use it. I want to use it more because they're so comfortable to sleep in and so comfortable to wear, but because my hair is too long for this size. On the Soft Spike website, they do have longer sizes, which I'm going to order really soon because these are my favorites because they're really comfortable. When I want to get that really, really tight curl that you guys love, and that is with my pipe cleaners. This is the pipe cleaner brand that I have. I've used it for many years. These are the black fuzzy sticks. This is what it looks like. It looks long in the package. But when I use it, I bend it in half. And as long as my locks are, I fit my locks on this, and it gets tightly, like really tight ringlet curls, and my hair gets really, really short, and then it drops over a few days, and I just love it. And then you can twist it and bend it into different shapes so your hair can look really cool. Love these. I rarely do this because to install pipe cleaners takes me about 5 to 6 hours to put the whole thing in my hair, and also they're not that comfortable to sleep in. But the results worth it so much. The result is really, really pretty, really, really nice. It is so worth the results. The new product that I recently started using because my soft spike curlers were just not long enough for my hair was I invested in these things. I forgot what they're called. Curly wand thingies. I mean, everybody has them. I use them. It gets me this is what I use to achieve this curl in my hair right now. Mind you, these curls are a few days old, so they have dropped drastically. But even when I use them and I take it out, I still get really big bouncy curls. They don't give me tight curls with this one. I like these. It's nice. The only issue is it's so big and puffy when I put it in my hair, and it's not that comfortable with drying my hair, and it's not comfortable to sleep in. The curls are cute, it's just the comfort level is not there for me. All the curling styles that I do, I use my Lotta Body with it to make the curls last longer. Alright, I'm done. This hairstyle gotta go because my hair is tired. I'm done. So when I do wash my hair, especially in the winter months, summertime not really, I let my hair air dry. In the winter months, I do like to dry my hair with a dryer just to make sure that I don't go to bed with wet hair and I don't get sick from having wet hair and it's cold in the winter time. The dryer that I use is this one right here. This is the Layla Ali Ionic Bonic Dryer. Let me show you what it looks like. Like that. You open it, the bonnet cap is in here. Pull it out. It also has the outlet cord in there. You plug it in. You get all the locks and everything in there. I'm not gonna do that right now. And then this cord thing right here, it comes out like that. You attach it. Oh gosh, so much right now. Attach it, boom, plug it in, turn it on. You sit down for a while and dry your hair. That's all there is to it. I hate this dryer. I don't like it. I don't like it. I just don't. A few reasons why I don't like it. I don't like the design of the all-in-one compact. This thing right here, once I get it out, only my husband can get it back in here because you push it in, which is fine, right? You put it in or whatever, you know, you put it in. But then after a while, you can't put it anymore. You gotta like take some special, you just gotta push it in, and you gotta, it doesn't stay in no matter what I do. You gotta do it and twist it. It's too much work. So when my husband comes home, he takes care of that. The next reason why I don't like it is because the attachment piece right here that locks into the hole right here, whenever I'm drying my hair, for some reason it always comes loose. So when I do get it attached, I have to sit still for like the entire time. As soon as I move my head to turn my head to do anything, this piece just falls right out. So I don't like it for that reason. And it's just, I don't know. I mean, the heating itself, the heat setting is fine. It's not too hot. It does have a lot. It does have, what, 3 different settings. It has cool, low, medium, high, and that works fine. As far as it doing its job of drying my hair, that works fine. I just don't like the design of it. And also, when I do have the bonnet on my head, because my hair is so much, the side with the hole that is connected to the hose, that side gets dry, and then after like a few minutes I have to rotate this to like another side and get that side dry. Then I have to rotate this to the front and get the front dry, and then rotate to the back. So it doesn't dry my overall head at the same time. You have to rotate it to where the heat is coming from, and my old dryer was not like that. So I can't wait for this one to break. I can't wait for something to happen to it so I can buy a new one. So I'm just waiting for the day when this one just clocks out and we can buy my new dryer. I always tie my hair down. No matter how tired I am, my hair gets tied down every single night before I go to bed. The main reason is not because I want to keep my hair healthy. I mean, that is the good reason to do it. But the main reason is because with all this hair, if I don't, I get tangled in it and it gets all over my face. It feels like somebody's crawling on me. So because of those reasons, I have to tie my hair down every night. What I always used for years was my silk, it's a satin, this is not silk, my satin scarf right here. It's old, it's raggedy, don't judge it. It has elephants all over it. I've had this since my relaxed hair days. I've had it for many, many years. It has served its purpose. It's really big. I love it. And it's just done me justice. The only reason why I've been moving on now is because my hair has gotten so much longer that it doesn't fit in this anymore. And there we go. Voila, my hair will be tied down for the night. But the problem now comes in with all of this hair is left out. And I didn't like the way it feels at night. It was still good on top of me. You guys have seen this all over Instagram, made popular by Jackie Aina herself. This is from the company, and I'm going to pronounce it wrong, Puxie's Wardrobe, and I believe she changed her name now to Isokin or something to that nature. I'll put the name right here. This is my bonnet that I sleep in now. It is beautiful. I love the print. It is lined inside. So it is lined inside, so it does protect my hair at night, and it's wonderful. This is how it looks on my head. All my locks are in, and I still have plenty of room for more locks. But this is cute right here. This is a look. This is real cute. But this is what I wear on my hair now as my nighttime bonnet. I just pull it out in the morning, shake my hair, and go. That was legit how I do my hair every morning to go to work. Just pull off the bonnet, shake it out, and go. I could not finish this video without showing you guys my shower cap. From the company, I believe it's called My Celestial Souls or My Celestial Crown. She uses both those names interchangeably. It's either My Celestial Soul or My Celestial Crown. But I've ordered shower caps from her for years. It's like every year I get 2 or 3 shower caps from her. She has many different sizes. This is my hair with the shower cap. See? All the locks are in. I forgot this product right here. This is the Shea Moisture African Water Mint and Ginger Detox and Refresh Scalp Elixir. This goes with the shampoo that I used also, the African Water and Mint and Ginger shampoo. Loved it. This also gave my hair a nice tingly effect. I loved using this before I washed my hair. So the night before I washed my hair, I'd put this on my scalp and give myself a nice scalp massage. Leaves my hair really tingly, really, I don't know, it gets the blood flowing, and then I'll wash my hair after. And for some reason, my hair just felt really clean and really smooth. Love this product also for days in between the washes. If my hair was just a little bit funky, in my opinion, I'll put this in. Gives my hair a really nice smell, and the tingly feeling would feel as if I washed my hair, but I really didn't wash my hair. So this was great in between washes to just give you that nice clean feeling. Those were all the products that I can remember that I used in my hair in 2017. I know it seemed like a lot, but don't forget, you guys, this is the whole entire year of using these products, and it's not like I use all the products at the same time. When one finished, I'll use another one, and so on and so forth. Hopefully this helps you guys with the products that you put in your hair. Anyway, thank you guys so much for watching. I appreciate your love and support, and make sure you're always enjoying your journey. Bye!